a Luo English Dictionary channel. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. The time now is 10 o'clock. Ensa angwen ewang. Kamantie. Akeni in kamantie nsadi. I don't know where you are, ni nsadi. But where I am, it is 10:01. Ensa angwen kod dakika achiel. Kawuono wadwa twak e weche mag family conversation. Wadwa twak e weche mag anyuola. Twak mar anyuola okinyi. But before we continue, I have an appeal. You know what appeal is? Before we continue, I want you to go to our channel and please subscribe. Consider subscribing to the channel. And then I also have an appeal that you can now join the Luo English Dictionary channel. You can join. Imagine we are already at 6,100. This is 6,100 subscribers. So we are doing a good job. So in order to join, please just click on the join button. When you go to Luo English Dictionary channel, just click on the join button. Then there are three available joining stages. You can join as a bronze member. This you will pay 200 Kenya shillings a month, and as a silver member it's about 500 Kenya shillings a month, and as a gold member it's about 1,000 a month. This money is not my money, it's going into the channel. This money we shall use it for ensuring that we create content that is good for the children. We are looking at developing children content, and one way of doing this is through the join button. If you become a member, you shall be helping on that course. Otherwise, let us continue on today's conversation. We are talking about family conversation, twak mar anyuola okinyi, and I want us to look at a few things. This is just, where is this? I want to bring this to the top. There you go. This is a slideshow of a conversation by the family. I'm hoping it will be, I cannot see something here. That's the problem with being the everything in the channel. I have to be the everything in the channel. All right, there we go. I think we're good now. So let's look at this conversation. And this is a conversation that might happen between a mother and a child, or a father and a child, or two people in the family in the morning. When you're going to wake up somebody, you would say, if you're going to wake up many people, you say, Chie uru sa oseromo. Wake up, it's time. Chie uru sa oseromo. So if it's just one person, you'll say, Chie sa oserom. But uru, the uru part is for many people. So if there are 2 or 3 of them, you say, Chie uru sa oseromo. Chie uru mondo udhi uikru ne sikul. So wake up, go and prepare for school. Or chie uru mondo udhi uikru ne sikul. Wake up, like many of them, wake up and go prepare for school. And then what will they say? They would ask, for example, En sa adi. What time is it? En sa adi. And then you would give them the time and the reason. So you'd say, En sa apar gi achiel, thuon osekok. So you know in the morning, like where I'm coming from, in the morning they don't, they used to use time. So time, like for example, when the cock crows in the morning, then it would still be they will tell you what time it is, depending on what time the cock crows. So when they said chiew en sa apar gi achiel thuon osekok, that means it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock and the cock has already crowed. So please wake up. And then what did you say? You'd say, Mama, where anind matin? Mama, where anind matin? Pod nindo ohinga. Mama, where anind matin? Pod nindo ohinga. Mom, please let me sleep a little while. I'm still sleepy. Or if there are many, you say, Mama, where wa wanind matin? Pod nindo ohingo wa. Where wa wanind matin? Pod nindo ohingo wa. That is a plural, okay? Then he said, Chieuru chiew wetugo. Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Wake up, stop joking. Yesterday you almost late. Chiew wetugo. Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Okay? Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Chiew wetugo. Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Wake up, stop joking. You almost late yesterday. Then once they've woken up, you'd say, Pi mar luok oseikore, kendo asetero e od luok. Pi mar luok oseikore, kendo asetero e od luok. Okay? Asante sana, Liki, for following the channel. Rud laki kod maswak gi yadh lak. Rud laki kod maswak gi yadh lak. So brush your teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm just putting in the vocabulary so that you can relate. Rud laki means brush your teeth. Maswak is toothbrush and yadh lak is toothpaste. So rud laki kod maswak gi yadh lak. So toothpaste is maswak. Sorry, toothpaste is yadh lak and toothbrush is maswak. Then again we would say, what would we say? Amoro Nyabuarikora. Thank you for liking the stream. Ka isetieko luok, yueri kik iwuog e od luok kapod dendi ng'ich. Okay, this is a very difficult one, and especially if you're not Luo, because it includes a lot of vocabulary and tongue twisting. Ka isetieko luok, yueri kik iwuog e od luok ka pod dendi ng'ich. Now, some people say od luok is a bath, but bath is a Swahili word. So bafu, Swahili is bafu. So that is why od luok is the correct thing. Od luok, not bath. Okay. So, ruak lepi mag sikul. Put on your school uniform. Ruak lepi mag sikul. Then you say, Koro bi mondo imad chai. Koro bi mondo imad chai. That is, come take your breakfast. And then, at the breakfast table, you can ask the child, Be ne itimo tij dala. Mane japuonj omiyi nyoro? Did you complete your homework from yesterday? Be ne itimo tij dala mane japuonj omiyi nyoro? Okay? Then this is nyamburko, not nyamurko. Nyamburko. Nyamburko or mtoka. Some people say mtoka. Nyamburko osebiro dwa teri e sikul. So your ride has arrived. It wants to take you to school. Nyamburko osebiro dwa teri e sikul. And before you forget, ting' chiembi mar sa auchiel kod pi modho. Ting' chiembi mar sa auchiel kod pi modho. Okay? Now that was a very short one, and waking up in the morning. Now if you have questions, please put them on the chat. That way I can always translate them up here. If there's something that you want to say in the morning and I did not cover it, please put it in the chat box and I'll be able to translate it. And that way we make this a better experience for you and for me and for someone who will be looking at this later. Thank you for always supporting the channel and for sending your questions and your questions. I know that there's someone who sent us questions. Let me just look for it. There is someone who sent us questions, and he gave us something to do. We have just not had the time to make the work. That was Edward Amoni. I think you gave us some topics on climate issues, and that was the names of the seasons: raining, drizzle, dusty, all that. Then the Luo words for all for everything. You gave us a whole list of things to do. We are going to do that in the near future. So if you have questions, please type them on the chat box, and then we can always do everything else. So as you may have seen, let me add this. Let me so when the kid is back from school, then you can ask, did you arrive well at school? Sikul ne ichopo maber. Then japuonj, that is the teacher. Japuonj ne opuonji ango. What did the teacher teach you? Japuonj ne opuonji ango. What did the teacher teach you? So this is now when the kid is coming back from school. So that is a small brief. I'm told I should not be doing so much because my videos go very long and people want to just get the main point. And that's why I'm trying to do a brief video of about 15-20 minutes. So when they come back from school, you can just say sikul ne ichopo maber, and then you would also say japuonj ne otimango. Japuonj ne opuonji ango. What did the teacher teach you? Japuonj ne opuonji ango. And that would be the small take. And again, I want to just, before we leave, now if you have questions, please send them to oh, Hillary, karibu sana. Hillary is saying I'm not too late for today. And you are a little late, Hillary, but we can always accommodate you. So today we've just talked about conversation that can happen in the morning in the house. For the sake of Hillary, we want to repeat because this channel exists for people like you, sir. So for this conversation, it's a mother or a parent to a child, and it's a very short one. They're just telling them to wake up and then go to school and then go and shower and stuff like that. So he starts by saying, Chiew uru sa oseromo. Wake up for its time. Chiew uru sa oseromo. Now, this uru means many of them. Like there are 2 children or 3 children. That's why she's saying Chiew uru sa oseromo. So wake up, all of you, because it's time. And then you say, Chiew uru mondo udhi uikru ne sikul. Chiew uru mondo udhi uikru ne sikul. Wake up, go and prepare for school. Chiew uru mondo udhi uikru ne sikul. Okay? Then the kids would ask, En sa adi? What time is it? Why are you making us wake up? En sa adi? Then the mother, the father would say, En sa apargi achiel, thuon osekok. It's 5 a.m. The cock has already crowed. En sa apargi achiel, thuon osekok. Thuon osekok. Then mama, so this is the kid now responding. The kid would say, Mama, where anind matin? Pod nindo ohinga. And this is typical for children. They like pushing back. So, Mama, where anind matin? Pod nindo ohinga. Mom, please let me sleep for a little while because I'm still sleepy. Chiew wetugo. So this is typical of mothers. This is what they will say. Chiew wetugo. Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Wake up and stop joking. You almost late yesterday. Chiew wetugo. Nyoro ne ichiegni leo. Then the mother would talk about what is ready. Pi mar luok oseikore. Kendo asetero e od luok. Pi mar luok oseikore. Kendo asetero e od luok. So your water is ready. You can go take a shower. Rud laki kod maswak gi yadh lak. Rud laki kod maswak gi yadh lak. So as you can see, I'm trying to hit onto the major things that you have to get in the morning, like waking up, like brushing, like taking a shower. I'm trying to hit on all those, okay? That's why I'm looking at this. Then, ka isetieko luok, yueri, kik iwuog e od luok ka pod dendi ng'ich. Ka isetieko luok, yueri, kik iwuog e od luok ka pod dendi ng'ich. So once you're done taking a bath, use your towel to wipe yourself and don't come out of the bathroom while dripping wet. Very typical of children. Then you say, Ruak lepi mag sikul. Put on your school uniform. Ruak lepi mag sikul. And if you want to say put on your shoes, you would also say, Ruak, let me put that here. Duplicate slide. Ruak woche mag sikul ma rating ka. Put on your black school shoes. I don't know whether that is acceptable. I don't know if it is black school shoes or school black shoes, whatever. But what I mean, Ruak woche, what is this now? wuoche. Rwak wuoche ma rateng' ka. Rwak wuoche mag sikul ma rateng' ka. That is, put on your black school shoes or your school black shoes. Then koro bi mondo imadh chai. So now come and take your breakfast. Koro bi mondo imadh chai. And then you say, in the tea drinking session or the breakfast taking session, you'd say, be ne itimo tij dala mane japuonj omiyi nyoro. Be ne itimo tij dala mane japuonj omiyi nyoro. Did you complete your homework from yesterday? And then when the child is ready, you'd say, Nyamburko osebiro dwa teri e sikul. Some people say mitoka. Mitoka. Nyamburko osebiro or mitoka osebiro dwa teri e sikul. So your ride is here to take you to school. Then ting chiembi mar sa auchiel kod pi modho. Please carry your lunch and some drinking water. Ting chiembi mar sa auchiel. So chiembi mar sa auchiel is your lunch. Kod pi modho. And pi modho is drinking water. And finally, the last slide says, in the evening you would ask, Sikul ne ichopo maber. Did you arrive safely at school? Sikul ne ichopo maber. And to start conversation, you'd ask the child, Japuonj ne opuonji ango. Japuonj ne opuonji ango. So that's it. And I didn't want to make it very long because we want people to understand the language. So that is what you missed. And thank you so much for always supporting the channel. And I hope that this is building your conversation. Good. Uh-oh. Relax. Now, the other thing that I usually say at the end of this everything is, please consider subscribing. When you click on Luo English Dictionary, you can always click on subscribe, or you can also consider joining the channel. Click on join. When you click on join, you can join as a bronze member, silver member, or a gold member. Bronze members give $2 a month. That is about 200 Kenya shillings. Silver give $4.99 a month. That is about 500 Kenya shillings. And gold give 1,000. That is $9.99 a month. And the reason why we are looking for this money is so that we can make videos for children. If you want to support the cause, please consider joining and becoming members. I hope this would be a good way for utilizing the resources that we get from this channel. And that is it for the day. I hope that you guys have a great one. Thank you so much, Hillary, for always being there and for supporting the channel. Good. So I'll see you guys. I'm still looking for the. Remember, today we were supposed to get some knowledge from the food guy, but they didn't turn up. So when I get someone, I will bring them and we shall have a conversation. But for now, Oriti, good night, goodbye, good evening, good morning, everybody, and see you tomorrow.